While the driver test measures your skill behind the wheel, it's important to remember that the test actually begins before you start your engine. A pre-test must be successfully completed before the driver can enter the open road. If the car isn't in proper working order or the driver fails to have proper paperwork, the test is over. Here's what a pre-test looks like.
Hi there.
Hi.
I'm Examiner Glenn. I'll be conducting your test today. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Good. May I see your appointment slip, your ID, and your insurance, please?
My appointment slip,
Okay.
my ID, and my proof of insurance.
Thank you. Okay, I see that you do have a valid insurance card for this car. You can go ahead and put those away now.
Thank you.
Is the engine shut off?
It is.
Very good. How about your parking brake? Could you release that and reset it, please? Okay, the next thing I'd like you to do is demonstrate your hand signals, please. First, I'd like you to demonstrate slowing or stopping. Now, second, right turn and left turn. Thank you. Next, I'd like you to demonstrate your ability to stop the vehicle.
Okay.
Place your foot over the gas pedal. Don't press it, but when I say stop, step on the brake as fast as you can.
Okay.
Stop. Very good. Next, I'd like to have you start the vehicle.
Okay.
Now, keep your foot on the brake pedal. Push the brake. Keep your foot on the brake. I see the left one is good, the right one's good, and the center one's good. Next, we're going to check your electric turn signals. First, left. Thank you, and right. And the tabs are good. Okay, right turn signal, left turn signal. Good, we're ready to go.
Having arrived with the correct documents, an understanding of hand signals, and a car in proper working order, this driver has successfully completed the pre-test and moves on to the open road for the next phase of her driver test.